Assalamualaikum Kurdistan, Johnny Basim. Okay, I try learn speak Kurdish, but so hard, yeah. I just know Johnny Basim and Spas, and yeah, just pass Johnny Basim. Yeah, so hard. I try, but I can't. Yeah. Okay, guys, this video from Rami Harki and Allen Hazim. Yeah. Okay, let's we watch. Very good this music. Oh. Okay. Oh. Wow. Oh, there is dance for this. Oh. Why I like it. Wow. Wow. I very love with Buddhist dance. Oh wow. Ooh. Wow. Oh. Oh. Harazina. Really enjoy music. Wow, I love it this video clip. Wow, you know, I'm very like, yeah, with Kurdish dance. I love it this song and this video clip. There is dance Kurdish. Wow, very interesting. Wow, I'm very, yeah, I'm very like, yeah, this very good music, yeah, like it. All song from Rami Harki make me like, yeah, this with Allen Hazim, I like too. Okay guys, if you like this video, you can comment and you can give me song from Kurdish again. Okay, see you next video. Bye. Spas Dikin.